Okay guys, quickly, there's a regular bearish divergence playing out here on volatility of 10 index, okay, just as you can see. And then please let me quickly put my what is it called, my trend line, okay, to spot the divergence. Okay, I hope you can see it on both price and then the indicator. Okay, yes, that is what we call regular bearish divergence. Now let's put the correspondence vertical line so that you see exactly where the divergence is taking place. I'm still gonna go landscape. There are other things I need to show you here. Of course, I hope you can still remember the secrets. Okay, let me put on the indicator side as well. Yes, so that you see the correspondence and how the divergence is playing out. Okay, now you see price made higher high, but then the indicator is making the opposite. Okay, lower high, and that's a very valid regular divergence playing out on M15. I hope you can spot that, guys. So I like you to quickly look at it. It's actually a very small account, but I spotted it and I wanted to take advantage of it. And of course, I'm gonna trade up to at least this point. This is supposed to be my TP1, since it's playing out on a lower time frame, which is 15 minutes time frame. Remember, one of the secret, this is supposed to be my TP2. Remember, one of the secret is that you trade the regular divergence on the time frame that is playing out. Okay, this is my TP1. Actually, this is gonna be my TP2, and let's see how it plays out. Okay, and if it's playing out well, I might decide to lock up my profit if it enters into deep profit, while I wait for the trade to still push down, depending on what I'm able to see. Now let's see if this place is a verified resistance support zone. Let's see. Let's backtest. Okay, it's actually a verified resistance zone, which is one of the secrets, one of the rules. Okay, if you can remember, if you have not watched my video on the secrets, where I gave the secrets, kindly check the description box of this video. You are going to see the link to that video. Okay, now don't worry, I'll still show you on higher time frame, okay, to show you and to still buttress that secret. Okay, verified support or resistance. This is a 15 minutes time frame where the divergence is actually playing out, and I'm going to look for a kind of alignment if it's actually playing out on any other time frame, either below or above 15 minutes time frame. And let's check 5. Okay, it actually played out here, and we would have taken the signal, the entry from 5 minutes time frame, but then I came a bit this is actually, I'm on it already, I'm on time. Okay, I'm on time, and I just took the trade, but basically it's playing out fine on 15 minutes time frame, and we are taking the signal from the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so I'm just gonna pause this video, and then I'll come back in a while and I'll show you. I'll go landscape and I'll show you some other things. Okay, please stay tuned. All right, welcome back, guys. We are still on the trade and it's playing out fine, but I'm sorry, the indicators that I plotted cleared off, but there's no problem. We're just gonna place them back. Okay, let's just place them back so that we will be guided while I'm giving you the teaching. Okay, now yeah, I placed this trend line here to spot the divergence. Okay, let's still zoom out, and then remember I placed another one here on the indicator side. Okay, I hope you can see that, guys. Yes, to spot the divergence. Okay, and I remember I also plotted this to get the correspondence. We did all that before. Okay, sorry, it cleared off when I went out, like when I paused the video. Now yes, this is where we are plotting it. Just a moment. Okay, yes, and then I remember I placed my first TP to be somewhere here. Yes, that's what I did. Yes, no, it was here that I placed as my first TP, and then my second TP I placed it somewhere here. Yeah, just before this. Okay, now I said I want to show you some other things, but before then, let me quickly give you the setting too, because I know some of you will still ask about the setting. It's just normal relative strength index with these parameters. Okay, the period is 14, the standard setting. Okay, just the color that I changed, and then the levels. You apply it to close. Is one of the indicators you use to one of the excuse me, one of the indicators you use to trade divergences. Then the style is 2 pixels. Color is this color you are seeing. Then the levels, you can choose this level, you can just make it plain the normal levels, and I have here, just use this level 8, 92, 87, 13 and 50. Then the style 4 pixels. Color is that blue color you're seeing. Then you go back and click done. Yeah, but then let's go landscape. Let me show you another thing. Remember, I always say that you combine a whole lot of things to trade. Now you discover that this pair has actually been on a bullish move. Okay, I beg your pardon, please. This pair has been on a bullish move even from here. Okay, this is actually a buying cycle even from here. Okay, it's been on a bullish move, but you remember that we just take a look that even at that, while it's making these higher highs, okay, while it's making this higher high and higher low, it never gave us a divergence. It never gave us a divergence. It didn't give us divergence here. It didn't give us divergence here. This high is still higher than this. Okay, but over here it has given us a divergence. Look at it. This is lower than this, while this is higher than this. Okay, I hope you can see that, and that is one of the things that gave me the confidence. Now, but this is playing out on 15 minutes time frame. I may likely not stay long because it's playing out on a lower time frame. That's why my first TP is here. Okay, my first TP is here. As soon as I'm done recording, I'm gonna TP. Okay, and then I still have a second TP, so I can decide to take my profit or go to lower time frame and lock up my profit. Okay, of course, you know, I don't have to over leverage this account because it's a small account. But then if you go to higher time frame like H4, you discover that the market is actually on a resistance. Look at where I placed my stop loss. It's too high. Okay, but remember I said I am not going to stay in the market for that long because this divergence is playing out on lower time frame. I'm going to make a different video on that where I will talk about the best time frame to trade divergence, regular divergence, and the reason. Okay, I'm going to give you the reason. Now I may decide to, I have many TPs here. I can take my TP, first TP here, or as soon as this, the indicator gets to the 50 level, I can take my TP and then I exit the market. And aside all that, I'm looking at what we can see or what we can call a valid double top. So we combine a lot of things to trade. So it's most likely the market will come here at least to this point, and then I will take my profit or lock it up while I wait for the market to still push down to this place, and of course even to the neckline of this double top pattern that is being developed. Even the indicator is as well forming, even though this is divergence, but you look at it that it may likely come down to this side, and then of course getting to the 50 level and even most likely push down. But then I may not record till then. All I have to do is to lock up my profit if I don't want to exit the trade, and then I leave the trade running. So many times for watching this video to this point, guys. Always look out for things like this. Remember, I'll still release more video on the different, about 5 to 6 different powerful indicators you can use that will pick and spot divergences like this, and you make your choice. The one that resonates fine with you, you trade with that particular one, and you are good to go. So do good to like this video and share with other traders. Also watch the previous videos I did on this, and where I reviewed the 4 secrets and rules of trading regular divergences, and you are good to go. Also, if you are new on this channel, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video, you will get notified. This is CM Great Counsels signing out for today, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.